Glycan Industries Ltd UK 2008. Glycan Space XR HELIOTORR LLC Pasadena US 2016. Glycan Industries LLC Pasadena US 2016. Space Debris Remediation, SDR, Active Debris Removal, ADR, Extraterrestrial Business Plan in order to capture and transport raw materials from geolocalization and back to Earth is out of our future capabilities for this specific problem or have anti-gravity motors. And will be a serious source of risks, deorbit and re-entry uncertainties mainly for large objects, and destruction or failure of robots and for entire mission included Earth contamination. The refining of valuable resources must be installed near the debris-disseminated clouds. HELIOTORR Plasma for Extraterrestrial Resource and Applied Technologies Terminator-TH3 Station powered by plasma motors, Basim Astra USA. The resources will be stocked as concentrated metals, PERT, and back to Moon or Mars but in secured conditions. Space debris are considered as raw materials for future extraterrestrial activities. Between 2018 and 2026 it will be necessary to have financial efforts of approximate $20 billion. Spread over 10 years in order to realize several missions included the present project. Our solutions: Plasma Physics and Plasma Chemistry HELIOTORR Plasma for Extraterrestrial Resource and Applied Technologies Terminator, TH3 Station. Space Debris Remediation US Patent Pending. Schema of Principal PERT Station. MHD, MGD. Recycling Preparation. Ablation Cylinder Versions, 8 meters, 16 meters, 30 meters. Accretion Spheres Recovery for Atomic Species. Mass, E/M. Electrostatic. Electromagnetic, Para-HO and Dial-HO. Resonance Ions. Our unique engineering and manufacturing points: PERT engineering. Prominent part of HELIOTORR Station, Plasma for Extraterrestrial Resource and Applied Technologies. Patents 2006 CHWIPO and patent pending US-2016-623858558 PCT Phase 2018 Christian Daniel Asoun Expertise PhD Physics Atomic Spectroscopy 1979 Former Advisor NASA JPL 1981-1982 PERT report has been used in the JPL NASA report. Director Wolfgang H. Sturer 1981-82-83-86 Extraterrestrial Materials Processing. The plasma technologies, introduced by PERT report, seems to be the most promising technology to be applied to space debris remediation and/or planets for mining and refining. The plasma technology already exists and several laboratories are working at international level for specialized domains for Earth application only. Glycan has developed the technology in order to create specific tools for extraterrestrial applications for deep space and planets. More than theoretical field, the plasma's technologies are mostly utilized with scientific and technologic know-how collateral from patents and spin-offs of these patents. The PERT report has set up several bases for energy MHD, MGD, magnetochemistry, solar and nuclear resources secured in deep space. The goal of Glycan Space XR HELIOTORR is to manufacture in USA, California or Florida KSC, serials of HELIOTORR PERT station and install its subsidiary company in order to launched and assembled in space. The proof of concept, POC, will be launched at LEO 500 km and at GEO 36,000 km. Position with 130 kg payload. Experiment reduced scale 1/30 m. Our strategy with HELIOTORR Plasma for Extraterrestrial Resource and Applied Technologies POC, proof of concept, is to verify at LEO 500 km and GEO 36,000 km. The capabilities of this plasma technology will be checked at simulation lab on Earth. With debris geochemistry similar formulas contents /NASA JPL expertise in this alloys chemistry field. We estimate at several hundred $US economy of funds, and we will save at minimum 5 years of time in the project and immediate investment in plasma MHD motors, $60 US, in order to propulse the first HELIOTORR Plasma for Extraterrestrial Resource and Applied Technologies station at Astra Rocket Company USA. Our added value/competitive advantage. Massive cost reductions. Because the adopted strategy to check the POC proof of concept 100 kg minus 130 kg payload at the simulation lab in USA and the launching the POC at LEO at 500 km or at GEO 36,000 km. Massive time resources savings. 5 to 7 years. Increase margin by approximate 300% to 600%. Price of the preliminary project HELIOTOR-PERT-TERMINATOR-TH3. $30 million POC proof of concept. Our target. Space debris remediation at NEO-LEO GTO. More than 21,000 to 500,000 meters potential. Dangerous debris. Cost operation. $10 to $20 billion spread over 5 to 7 years. Robotic HELIOTOR plasma for extraterrestrial resource and applied technologies Terminator stations. TH3 joint ventures with launchers companies and owners of satellites. Servicing prevention identification XRF destruction and termination of space debris. Our business model. Selling hardware and software platform for HELIOTOR-PERT-TERMINATOR-TH3 stations. Joint ventures. Strategic contracts with agencies management joint ventures. License to manufacture and use HELIOTOR-PERT-TERMINATOR-TH3 stations, license granted to strategic partners. Royalties given to Glycan Space XR HELIOTOR joint venture with partners. Technological positioning of. At present 2018 there is no demonstrated actor declared or known in extraterrestrial debris remediation domain possessing the ideal technology and corresponding patents. We do not possess the solely technology included in our present proposal because we need to check the capability with experiment, POC, proof of concept payload 100 kg to 130 kg located at GEO or NEO-LEO GTO. Achievements or key partners. Glycan Space XR HELIOTOR. We will rent a facility in USA, California or Florida in order to install the laboratory of simulation plasma for extraterrestrial resource and applied technologies HELIOTOR station and robotics plan and for space debris remediation POC proof of concept. We will quote, offers and sell our HELIOTOR-PERT-TERMINATOR-TH3 station products in several months. Joint ventures with companies involved in extraterrestrial mining or space debris remediation. We WIIL close/partnership, deals in the X months operations pending. We opened 2016, one office in Pasadena, CA USA. Glycan Space XR HELIOTOR LLC. Glycan Industries LLC. And non-profit Corp. Org American Institute for Quantum Science and Plasma Technologies Pasadena CA USA. Needs. Funds. $30 million POC proof of concept preliminary funding. Lab of Simulation, and California or Florida KSC. Partners. Institutional and private for IPO. Clients. First segment, cleaning owners of satellites. Press visibility. Economic, finance reviews conferences. Use of funds. Sales and marketing of HELIOTOR plasma for extraterrestrial resource and applied technologies machines 50%. Human resources 20%. Marketing 10%. Research and development projects 20%. HELIOTOR plasma for extraterrestrial resource and applied technologies. 5% research 95% development. Financial projections. Revenues and profits 2018 to 2026. Important notice: this section must be understood as a draft and short notice to be included in the final executive summary. Several uncertainties are associated to this draft. The HELIOTOR-PERT station is assimilated to a spacecraft equipped with important industrial tools embarked and out of the station to be deployed at LEO-NEO GTO. This vision of the project seems to be in good agreement with the deep space conditions we hope to offer the HELIOTOR-PERT station Terminator-TH3. Under the possible following financial conditions and arrangements. Financial quote for the HELIOTOR-PERT-TERMINATOR-TH3 stations. $230 to $270 million. Sale of the station's pro forma invoice. Several versions, even the space debris, are summed to 5,000 to 10,000 tons. We cannot consider these metals or alloys as precious nor strategic metals only destined to be processed as raw materials for other stations to be elaborated in space, spread over 5 to 10 years of cleaning around the planet Earth. Financial projections. In agreement with average price $250 million to be confirmed by subcontractors. Sources of the HELIOTOR PERT stations. Different concepts of funds raising are available. International donation associations of investors, non-profit organizations. Private industrial contract joint venture 30%, down payment. Institutional contracts with governmental agencies. Each HELIOTOR PERT station could treat tons of debris. ROI, return on investment, in our case 3 to 5, coefficient, for each HELIOTOR PERT station Terminator TH3. Financial tools and strategies. SEC IPO. Extraterrestrial mining and refining adventure, if space debris remediation active, constitute one of major challenge for human technologies in front of the deep space and solar system. This crusade in the solar system, hunting asteroids in different belts, will give force and knowledge to all the actors of this important mission in order to colonize our solar system. Therefore, we strongly believe that the Glycan HELIOTOR project, included others, IPO formed by several companies, could feed rate their efforts in order to create a pool of actors including institutional, government, in order to create a group of companies, banks, or assimilated, capable to introduce at NASDAQ and set up the Consortium for Extraterrestrial Mining and Refining, CEMR, on the international public market, but with limited shares, in order to give to the consortium the legitimate conduct of the project always in the hands of the CEMR. The IPO could produce necessary funds in order to reimburse rapidly the investors, included gov or institutions or companies, and raise funds for the whole projects, with comfortable ROI for all the actors. It will be an unique international kinetics. I trust in this solution. Joint ventures, formed with future clients and users of the HELIOTOR plasma for extraterrestrial resource and applied technologies. Technology. Founder of HELIOTOR PERT project. Christian Daniel, a sound physicist, PhD, 1979, atomic spectroscopy, Paris 7, former advisor NASA, JPL 1981-82, author of PERT report, Plasmas for Extraterrestrial Resources and Applied Technologies, owner of several patents and know-how in PERT. Sources: PERT report Ref 3543810-27.02.1981. Christian Assound, chief author, PhD, Christian Assound, 1979 and degree 75779 BA208 and NASA JPL publication 82-41 NASA CR 169268. Chief author Wolfgang H. Sturer, April 15, 1982 Aug 1982. Received NASA Facility Department Extraterrestrial Materials Processing. Wolfgang H. Sturer, Director, JPL, Pasadena. Members and advisors: William F. Carroll, Eugene Dufresne, Laureate Johansson, Bruce Nurad, Amal Salama, James E. Schroeder, Richard H. Smoke, Wolfgang H. Sturer, Christian Assound, Paris, France. Trig Bake, Carlsbad, California. Eugene Clough, Bates College. Jack Green, Long Beach State University. Klaus Kiel, University of New Mexico. Wayne M. Phillips, JPL. JPL publication 83-86. William F. Carroll, editor, NASA CR-173,213-169,268. Chief author Wolfgang H. Sturer, NASA JPL N84-16227. March 1.1983. Sources: PERT report Ref 3543810-27.02.1981. Christian Assound, chief author, PhD, Christian Assound, 1979 and degree 75779 BA208 and NASA JPL publication 82-41 NASA CR 169,268. Professor Dr. Emeritus, University of Medicine and Pharmacy, Cluj-Napoca, Romania. Member of the Senate of the University. Prof. Emeritus in Physics, University of NIS.U. Professor Emeritus Dumanat, Biophysics, University Paris 13. PERT Terminator TH3 Processing HELIOTOR Station. principle of processing embodiment capabilities and limits the preferred version of the station. End of life of satellites help for small deorbit operation refill for the energy's power supplies, others forms, plasma motors solar wings to be continued. The station will be not able to engage plasma chemistry complete process including refining of metals or alloys, figure 5. This process of refining is mainly attributed to the HELIOTORR PERT station for Moon-Mars asteroids. Seated plasma MHD motors. The Terminator station will use debris destroyed as fuels in order to hunt and capture debris. Add fuels gases hydrogen and oxygen from electrochemistry process water and embarcate gases, argon, or helium or provided by other station. Contact 004122700583-00417921377 Geneva, USA 001622717411-00187737978111 www.glycanspacexr-agency.com Allied-Industries-headquarters at glycangroup.com